So I made a mistake, so I had to press, yeah, we'll join it with the other picture, then to press F9 to bring the escape, or press F9. I then selected Toshiba, the 320 USB outside, because it is outside this one here. Okay, it is a hard drive in external mode, in external adapter. It's because the internal one is corrupted somehow. So, but I think it is going, because it is just a hard drive, so it may take long. It is a Windows drive. Yeah, it seems to be working. Yeah, the power is on. So we're waiting for it. It may take long. What's happening? Oh, it's turned off. And the hard drive. Okay, let me turn it on. Turned it on. It was charging. That is to show that it is charging. Now the hard drive is lighting. Okay, there it is. Preparing startup. I know. F9. Let me press F9. Because this will not work. Or escape. Because it's not gonna work. I know it's not gonna work. So it's not yet. So escape. It's taking me to the boot menu maybe. Let me see. This is HP, not Dell. Okay, there it is. Okay. You remember what I pressed? 9, then escape. Then I have to go down, use a device, USB drive. You see that? You can read yourself. I'm not reading for you. Okay. Go down. You want a USB device by using these buttons. Up, down, left, right. Anything that you might need to take up, left, right, up, down, down. Okay, but up, the middle, that USB device is what I want. This one. Okay. So USB device, because it can see it. Okay. Press UEFI, internal hard drive, which means it is the one which is corrupted. So let's go down to UEFI, USB device. Remember, it is a EFI. It's not a legacy. Legacy, the one which is outside external drive, whatever, boot device. But this one, I formatted it as EFI USB device, EFI boot drive, which means it is suitable for internal drive. Okay, I press enter. Enter, there it goes. This one, I press that one. So now it has gone back to boot from the USB device. Don't press that because we have already pressed it and we told it that we want that one. It's booting. Remember, it is a hard drive, a hard disk drive, so it is taking long. But the issue is it working? So that is what is important. What if there was no SSDs? It's gonna take long. You hear that voice? Which means wow, which means it is good. Everything is fine. Okay, everything is fine. Boom, there it is, with a trademark of you Windows 11. Okay, it is perfectly started. Okay, you press enter and it asks you for the password, so it is working. 2 3. There you go. Okay, so there you go. Press Windows key or command in case you're using the keyboard which has the command button. It's the same as Windows. So okay, it's not, because it is slow, so you have to wait for it until itself decides to. Otherwise, at this time it cannot follow command. It is slow. The operating system is initializing. There you go. See, it has come. Okay, so now we are looking for the files. HP is a good laptop. The problem is its hinges. It's good. Okay, I think we can stop there because we have gotten where we want to go. So we what files, clicked, and let's see what the hard drive has, how much the hard drive has. You go to this PC. No, you have to use these buttons here, because this one otherwise would be using 2 fingers. It has physical buttons. Desktop. Oh, we have to pull that bar. Okay, double tap and pull it down to go to this PC. Okay, and there you go. Double tap. So local disk is having 76 GB free of 297. So that is the 300 GB drive. This one. Okay. It is the local disk. I'm holding things. I have spoiled it. I have disconnected it. I'm using it on my laps. Okay, so you get the point. We're going back from scratch. I've disconnected it, it's on my laps. Escape. F9. Boot device order, which is F9. Okay, but I think it knows what you want it to do, so we go to Toshiba like we did, up down, like up down, up. So this is Toshiba hard drive, is what we wanted. Okay, USB hard drive Toshiba, so it knows its name. But even if we stop here, because we saw how much the drive had. Okay, it was 2 terabytes internal with occupied space. So That is basically what we wanted to know. That's what we wanted to see.